Good morning, friends. Mrs. Cahill here to do our daily number corner, so let's get started. Today is Wednesday, May 27th, 2020. We have a purple card, and it starts on 45 and goes left, left. We are starting on 45 and we're going left, left, and that brings us to 43. Remember, when we go left, we subtract. When we go right, we add. When we go down, we add 10. When we go up, we subtract 10. So when we went to the left, all we did was subtract 2. Here are we on today, May 27th, 2020. We started on 45. We went left, left. Like we said, that means that we subtract 1. But we went twice, so that means we subtract 2, and that brought us to 43. And that is where we ended. How many days in school? Yesterday we had 168 days in school. Today we're going to add another day. And if we add another day on top of 168, how many days in school is it today? If you need to pause the video to count and think about it, go for it. All right, let's see. If we had 168 yesterday, what comes right after 168? 169. Very good. 169 days. Written form, 168 days. Hundreds, tens, and ones. There's 100 plus how many tens? 6 plus how many ones? 9 ones. And our expanded form, remember our expanded form is our equation that we use our hundreds, tens, and ones in our total days to help us. How many hundreds? There's 100 plus how many tens? 6. But we don't just write 6. What do we write? 60, right. Plus how many ones? 9, and that gives us 169. Just a reminder, you do not need to write the equation in the box or in the comment box. No need to do that today. Here we are on week 4 of our quarter collections. Let's add a quarter. Perfect. Let's do our poem. Quarter. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents, right. Here's how we count our quarters. 25, 50, 75, $1. Say it with me. 25, 50, 75, $1. One more time. 25, 50, 75, $1. Let's see how much we have here. 25, 50, right. We have 50 cents so far this week. Great job. Today is Wednesday. You have a reading lesson 10. No writing for today. There is Dreambox today just for 20 minutes at least. If you want to go longer, that is up to you. Remember, if you click on this, it brings you to Launchpad. Watch Number Corner like you're doing right now. And you have a Nature Bites activity in Google Classroom. All right, friends. Have a wonderful Wednesday. And I will see most of you today at our Google Meet. I hope you guys have a great day. And I'm excited to show you what book won. If you have not voted for the book, go in Google Classroom and vote so that you can get your votes in for your top 2 books. All right, bye friends.